It's 2026. SEO is no longer just about keywords. It's about AI integration, SGE, Search Generative Experience, and lightning-fast performance. If you are still using an outdated SEO plugin, you are leaving traffic on the table. Today we are putting the two titans, Rank Math and Yoast SEO, to the ultimate test. Which one should you trust with your website this year? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the user experience. Yoast SEO has maintained its classic, minimalist look. It uses the traffic light system, red, orange, and green. It's perfect if you want a clean, distraction-free environment. However, Rank Math feels like it was built for 2026. It uses a modular UI. Don't need redirections? Turn them off. Want AI features? Turn them on. It gives you a sophisticated SEO score out of 100, which feels much more precise than just a green light. Rank Math is for those who want data. Yoast is for those who want simplicity. In 2026, SEO is no longer just about filling keywords. It's about how smart your tool is. And this is where Rank Math's Content AI really leaves everyone behind. It's not just a basic generator. It's a full-blown AI research assistant right inside your WordPress editor. Here is what you can actually do with it. Smart Research. Content AI analyzes the top-performing articles for your keyword and tells you exactly how many words to write, which headings to use, and how many images to add. It gives you a target score to beat your competitors. AI Command Center. You can literally give commands to the AI. Want a catchy introduction? Or a detailed outline for your blog post? Just ask, and it writes it for you in seconds. Semantic Keywords, LSI. It suggests related keywords that Google loves, helping you rank for multiple terms without keyword suggestions. Smart Link Suggestions. This is a huge time saver. The AI suggests relevant internal and external links while you're writing, making your site structure stronger automatically. Content Editing. It can improve your existing sentences, change the tone to professional or urgent, and even fix grammar. Yoast SEO, meanwhile, has focused on its AI generator, mainly for meta titles and descriptions. It's helpful, but it's limited. It doesn't help you build the actual content like Rank Math does. If you want a tool that handles the entire creative process, from research to final draft, Rank Math's Content AI is miles ahead in 2026. Now, let's look at the bang for your buck. Look at this table on your screen. 1. Multiple keywords. In 2026, one keyword isn't enough. Rank Math lets you optimize for up to 5 keywords for free, while Yoast Free limits you to just 1. 2. Redirections and 404s. This is huge. Usually you need a separate plugin for this, but Rank Math includes a redirection manager and 404 monitor for free. In Yoast, this is a premium feature costing nearly $99 a year. 3. Advanced Schema. With Google's new AI search, schema markup is your best friend. Rank Math offers a custom schema builder for free. Yoast gives you the basics, but for advanced blocks, you'll have to pay. 4. IndexNow and instant indexing. Speed matters. Rank Math's built-in IndexNow support ensures your new content is indexed by Bing and Google almost instantly. With Yoast, it's often a manual process unless you use third-party tools. 5. Local and Image SEO. Rank Math includes modules for local SEO and automated image alt tags. Yoast sells these as separate paid extensions. If you're a small business or a photographer, the savings with Rank Math are massive. Does your SEO plugin slow down your site? Rank Math is written in highly optimized code and is significantly smaller in file size. Since it's modular, you only run the code for the features you use. Yoast has improved significantly, but it still feels a bit heavy because of its legacy architecture. In the world of core web vitals, every millisecond counts. Rank Math wins on the performance front. So here is the bottom line for 2026. Go with Yoast SEO if you are a beginner, you want a simple set-it-and-forget-it tool, and you have the budget for their premium version to unlock the good stuff. Go with Rank Math if You are a power user, a blogger, or a business owner who wants maximum features, AI-driven insights, and better performance without paying for 5 different plugins. If you found this comparison helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2026 SEO secrets. Thanks for watching.